have another woman outside the one your mother arranged for you?
I am not part of the arrangement. I just came back to meet that arrangement. I already have a woman I want to marry. So I will never marry that woman my mother is presenting to me. It's not possible.
But what happened to that woman? The one she is presenting?
Nothing happened to her. She's just there. But I already have someone. That's what I'm trying to say. I have someone already. So please help me talk to her. I don't like the way she's forcing the girl on me.
Well, I will talk to her. But who is this young lady that take away her fancy want to marry? Who is she?
She's not from this kingdom. I met her on my trip and of course I fell in love with her and the rest is history.
Oh. Okay, I will talk to your mother about that.
Please do, please.
Right. I will do that.
Thank you very much.
Let's say go inside, you take something. Huh?
No, I'm
wine.
I'm fine.
Oh.
You know what? I should be ashamed of myself if I were you. What are you even doing here? You want to marry my brother? A man that detests you? Really?
Please do not insult me. I did not come here on my own. Yes, your mother did.
Are you not a fool? At this age, someone is forcing you on a man, and yet you claim you're sensible enough.
For the last time, do not insult me again.
I've not even started. You will know by the time I start dealing with you in this house.
And there is nothing you can do about it.
Really?
Yes. I have your mother full support. So there is nothing you or anyone else can do about it. Your brother must marry me.
Never. You lie. My brother, the prince, will not, I repeat, will not marry a church rat, a local girl like you. Never. I will not belittle myself talking to trash like you. In this house, you will never step into this house.
There is nothing you can do.
Never. It will not happen.
What is going on here? Rita, why are you crying?
Princess slapped me.
What?
And she called me names.
Amara, you did what?
Mother, I did.
Shut up! Have you lost your sanity? What is wrong with you?
Mother, I did not touch her. She's just pretending.
Rita cannot lie to me. Now answer me. Why did you slap her?
So I will lie to you, Mother. I said I did not touch this thing, Mother.
Shut up! Don't push me. Don't allow me lay my hands on you. Don't!
You're trusting a stranger than your own daughter, Mother.
It's okay. Wipe your tears, okay? It's okay. Please have a seat. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, I'm here now. It's okay. I'm sorry about that, okay?
Believe you can make it in this life that your heart desires. You must achieve it, no matter the ups and downs. You must achieve it. You know, God, just be strong. You are halfway there already. Just be strong. Need it over. Don't lose hope.
I'm sorry.
How did you get in here?
The door was open, so I managed to come in.
So what do you want?
Can you please hear me out?
Hey, stay back. I said, what do you want?
I love you with all my heart. And I want to be your wife. Tell me where my fault is. I can correct it.
The only fault is that you don't understand things. You don't listen. I can't marry you. I have someone in my life. Don't you get it?
Please, don't do this to me. Your mother promised me that you are going to marry me. I love you. I want to be your wife. Please, you know.
Get out.
Please.
I said get out. Don't make me lose it.
Please, I'm sorry.
Just respect yourself and leave.
Just tell me. I can do anything for you just to make you happy. I promise. I will be a good wife to you, okay? Just don't reject me.
Oh, you will not like me when I start now. I'm just telling you to go out. You won't hear. Leave.
Please. Please, I don't want to go.
You mean that girl walked into your room and did all that shit to you?
I'm telling you the truth. My mother is very desperate. I'm sure she was the one that sent her.
Oh, your mother is not desperate, but that girl is. You really need to be careful.
I wonder why you know. I wonder why she hasn't come to see my mother.
Then we need to go see him. Honestly, someone needs to talk to your mother.
Stella has not called up till now. Do you think she will still listen to me when she comes back?
Stella is not your problem for now, but your mother is. Let's tackle this issue first, and then we'll know how to go get Stella back to your house. But not now.
When she has refused to listen to me?
Let's allow Nollywood to do the talking with your mother first, and then we'll know the next step to take. Buff, that girl needs to leave your house as soon as possible. That's my take on this.
You mean my son came to tell you this rubbish?
Yes.
Chidi is really getting on my nerves. But I will not allow him tarnish the image of this royal family. Never.
Now, let me ask you, who is this woman he insists he must marry?
I don't know her. But he can never marry her. Never!
My queen, I will advise that you tread with caution on this matter, so that you don't make mistake you will regret tomorrow.
Oh no. The only mistake I will regret tomorrow is if I allow my son to marry a lowlife. That's all. Chidi must marry the woman I've chosen for him. Period.
That is going to be hard. Very hard. Because...
Because what? Oh no. No. Because what? Don't make me believe that you've been the one misleading my son.
Far from it. May the gods forbid that I should fight the wish of the queen of this land. Your son has no option. He must marry the woman you have chosen for him.
Then make him to understand that he does not have a choice in this matter. Also make him to know that it is a taboo for him to disobey me in an issue like this.
Consider it done. I shall do exactly that.
It's okay. Nancy! Nancy!
Yes, Your Majesty.
not a full person. So that he doesn't make mistakes.
Chidi is really pushing me. He's really pushing me.
Yes.
But it's okay. I'm counting on you. Okay. Hello, this is for you. It's okay.
Oh, great. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
It's fine.
Hey!
Just
I'm so happy.
Play your parts, please, okay?
Alright. I will always be happy. Thank you.
Oh no. It's okay.
Alright. Just consider it done.
Alright.
I will not even tell you what my brother said about you.
Now tell me. Why don't you want to tell me?
I'll not tell you, but even if I'll tell you, not now.
Why can't it be now? I want to know now. Tell me, Joe.
Okay. My brother said you're a good woman.
Are you serious?
He liked you.
He likes me?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Hey, house. Welcome to your husband's house. Welcome to which husband's house? Monica, what are you doing here with your daughter?
Is that supposed to be a question or what? No, did you hear that? See what will happen now, You have to go in there, carry your bag, go inside, check whether your husband is around or not.
Okay.
Go in.
Go in where? Let her step inside this house. Let me see.
No, you can carry your bag and go inside.
Shift what? You are no longer a member of this family. Out of this compound. Now.
Go inside.
Buba.
Go inside.
Buba.
Let me tell you.
Buba.
A big lie. This is her husband's house. Whether you people like it or not,
Where is
she is back for food.
Back for which house?
Her husband's house.
My house.
You have to carry your bag inside. Go inside and check whether your husband is around.
Check which husband.
Pick one of one.
Sebastian, pick your call.
Have you answered?
He has not answered. He's not answering me.
Call him again. Keep calling him.
I have been calling. Hey.
Call him again.
Sebastian needs to come home. He needs to come home now. He needs to come home.
Is it the network? Hey, he's not picking up. He knows where he is.
Young man, I told you. I told you not to come here again. Go and marry the woman that your mother arranged for you. Is that too difficult for you to understand?
Sir, please. There was a time you were young like me. I'm really in love with Stella. I just need to talk to her. Let me just talk to her before leaving, please.
How can you compare yourself with me? Huh?
I'm not comparing myself. I'm only saying that you were once a young man like me. I'm in love, please. I won't take time. Just
where are you going?
Just to see her inside, sir. Please.
Do you want me to call police for you? Now get out. Idiot. You are going to my house without my consent. You want to enter inside? You are lucky that I'm a pastor. Idiot.
Ijoma, tell your daughter to open this door for my daughter. Let her go inside her husband's house now. Father or mother?
Which house? Did I hear you say her house? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You, Monica, take your daughter, your stupid daughter out of my compound. Take her out of my compound though, before I do something stupid.
Mama, now you the even answer this one. Are you there, sir? Mama, don't worry. I will sit down here until my husband comes.
Okay.
Yes. I know they go anywhere.
Then keep on wasting your time. Because even though heaven fall, I will not allow you to enter my house. Never!
Do you know what? I'll just pretend as if I did not hear what he said. Because in our land, Asina, it's not every drop of rain from heaven that will bring out buckets for. You got to go? But let us stay and see what will happen. The end justifies the means.
We shall see.
My husband.
Welcome,
How dare you! How dare you kiss him in front of me? Stupid!
Are you going?
Come on! Try it! Don't sit there! Yes! Don't try that again!
Wait a minute, calm down. What was the meaning of that? No, what's the meaning of that rubbish?
dare you slap my wife before me? Have you gone insane?
Who is the wife? I married you! Now this is the woman that your mother brought for you. And I don't care. And I will slap you again. Huh?
I'm sorry. Now listen. I want you to take your dirty self and your mother out of my house right
Yes!
now.
Sebastian, for your information, my daughter is not a used and dumb. You will not, as in Kochala Bible, Saheya, Golo 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 Ton, okay? Isache, you will leave her for another person to come and marry. Mbano, you must marry her by fire, by force, and she must possess her possession.
So which possession?
Yes, possession. He does not want her. She should leave. She should leave. Leave.
You still have mouth to talk. Look at this one.
Why won't I talk?
If everybody talk, you will talk.
Leave my house.
Why won't I talk?
My son, don't mind them. I am here for you. Insult my mother. I am here for you. Insult my mother.
Come out from your package. Let us know. You don't pretend to be a good wife. You will come out. Go see.
Mama, let me see.
My son, stop worrying yourself. Stop bothering yourself. I can handle this.
Look at her.
I will handle this.
You will not handle anything.
You don't have money for burial.
Go and answer your son.
Follow and go.
Answer your son.
Imagine.
My wife material. I beg you, people should not waste our time. We are waiting.
People will just be jobless.
Who be that one?
People will just be jobless. Desperate.
Come out.
People will just be jobless.
Come out. Leave her.
You cannot do it.
Sweetheart.
My love.
The young man was here this afternoon.
Who?
Chidi now. Or whatever he calls himself.
Oh. Stella talked about him on our way back from church.
What did she say about him?
Nothing really. She was just having the feeling that he might visit. So she was too anxious, so get home before them.
Anxious? Are you sure?
Yes. I think Stella is already in love with him.
Look, I don't understand this. In love with him? She's in love with somebody that is already married? Is she saying that she wants to be a second wife?
My love, I did not say so. I'm only telling you her feelings towards the young man.
No, we will not encourage such feelings. I mean, how can she be having feelings for somebody who is already married? No, now. She can't be a second wife. Don't laugh.
I'm sorry. Just the way you're going about it.
No, she can't.
Sorry, my love. You know what? All we just need to do is just to advise her and I'll let her make her choice, and that is all.
No. We need to help her. We need to help her. I mean, she cannot make her choice this time.
What is this? I think you're not afraid of Adeline and her mother.
Why are you talking like this? Why would I be afraid of them? How did they know I'm back? Who told them I am back?
That is not the issue. How do you know that your back is not the problem here now? The problem is you have to drive them out of this compound by any means. So,
Mama, what means do you want me to use? You know how stubborn that woman and her daughter is. You know these people lack home training. They are not cultured at all.
Then, call the police. Call the police. Arrest them. That's the only thing you will do. Because Adeline will take, if you keep quiet like this, Adeline will take her bag inside the house, which will not happen. That will be over by dead body.
No, it's okay, Mama. I think I know what to do. All I need to do now is to go for a proper divorce, and that's it.
But that one is later now, not now. What we are talking about is now. Now! Oh my God!
Whoever that is, beat her! Not to the restaurant! Open it up to honor! Whoever that is, no way! Why did you pull my daughter up? Why? Don't you know that whoever that wins will be the wife?
Enough! Enough!
Me!
Madam, listen to me.
What?
This is the height of it. I want you to carry your daughter and get the hell out of our compound.
Right now! You are a liar! My daughter is going nowhere! This is her husband's house. You will have to keep it first. You will have it. What kind of desperation is this?
You are so shameless.
Ask you a question. Did you and your mother come to this place to kill me?
For where? You can die.
He will not.
Are you both this desperate?
They worry you. Very.
My daughter will be here. This is her husband's house.
That is exactly what you are.
I have my own mother. Carry this box inside.
Carry which box?
Which box?
Carry which box? Throw that box away.
You must be mad.
Carry which box?
Which box? Go.
Which box? You will go inside first. Mama. Forget the box. You will go inside. That's how the box will go.
Which inside?
Here.
Go which inside?
Mama, carry this box. Carry which box?
Don't let me touch you.
This is my house.
This
is my house. This is my house.
Don't let me touch you.
You cannot do that. This is my house.
Go inside.
You cannot do that.
You are a fool. You are a fool. Leave my daughter. I know what's in my house. I know what's in my house.
Don't let me offend you.
You can't.
Don't let me offend you. What have I landed myself into? Chidi. Chidi's out there, settling with a good woman. And I'm here running up and down every day with Adeline, forcing herself on me. What kind of a woman is this?
I have vanished. So you think running away from home is the best solution? Is that what you think? Is that what you think, Sebastian? Is that what you think?
Adeline, for the last time, please just get out of this place before I do something stupid. You have pushed me so far to the wall. I beg of you, just get out of this place.
What do you want? What can you do? You can't do anything to me. You can't.
But let me ask you one question. Let's assume something happens to my enemy tomorrow. Won't you move on? Won't you live your life?
Of course I will move on. Why would I move on? If you die, you die. But for now, when you see their life, bros, now me and you go do this movement. That's my decision. You cannot change it. More they go. Let's go.
How did I get here?
May we go? Okay.
Yeah, come in.
Greetings, my prince.
Yeah, greetings.
The Queen Mother prepared this for you.
My mother?
Yes, my prince.
Okay, keep it there. What is it?
Nothing, my prince.
Come here. Who gave you this juice?
Nothing, my prince.
I said, who gave you this juice?
What is still holding this girl? I told her to drop the drink and come out immediately. Why is she wasting time? What is it? Huh? Answer me!
Why did you tell her to lie to me that it was my mother that prepared the juice?
I did not lie to you.
So who made the juice? Because I'm going in there to ask my mother.
I did.
Why did you lie?
I'm so sorry about that. I only told her to tell you it was mother so that you not reject the juice.
I see. Give her the juice. Drink it.
What? I don't want to drink.
Why?
Nothing. Just that I don't feel like drinking it.
What did you add in the juice?
Add? I didn't add anything.
Call my mother.
Yes, my prince.
You need to understand why it's difficult for you to drink the juice that you prepared.
Nothing, just that the drink was made for you alone.
Then we can always share, right?
Huh?
As my husband. That's what you call me, right? So we can always share as one big family. Don't you think so?
But you can first test it.
No, you should test first.
What have they done to my son that he no longer listens to me? Chidi wants to marry without my consent. I will not allow that. I'll trace that lady's parents and warn them.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What is it?
The prince asked me to call you.
What happened? I'm asking you.
Your Majesty, it's Auntie Rita. I was passing and I saw her. Greetings.
Alright. Take this to the prince. Tell him that his mother prepared it. What did I say?
Okay. You said that I should take this to the prince and tell him that his mother prepared it.
Good. Go immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
In the next 10 minutes, Chidi will become mine. And mine forever. You know what? The truth is that I hate sharing. I don't like it. Chidi.
Did my son drink it?
No, Your Majesty. I told him.
Good. Where is my son now?
He's at the living room.
Okay. Go, I'm coming right behind you.
Yes, Your Majesty. Are you serious? Why did you not call me?
I didn't want to bother you.
That girl poisoned your drink.
According to her, she said it was love potion, but I don't believe her. I've told mom it's either she leaves this house or I leave.
That girl is leaving this house this minute. This very minute.
Mom already told her to leave.
But she's still here. So what is she still doing here? What are you still doing here?
Please. I'm so sorry. You people should find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know what I did was so wrong, but I love Chidi.
Hey, shut up. Whatever they call you. Get out of this palace this very minute. You're a disgrace. You came here to cause rifts between a mother and her children. You should be ashamed of yourself. I said leave this palace, Guards!
It's okay, don't worry. I'll leave on my own.
Then leave!
Let me get my things ready.
Get out, please! Foolish idiots. We are waiting, no, don't waste your time. Don't waste our time here.
What is the problem?
Mama, Sebastian scolded me today. He asked me to stop disturbing him. And then he went ahead to go out without telling me where he was going. Mama, is it fair?
Where is Adeline?
I don't know. I don't know where she is.
My daughter, I want to tell you something. I want you to understand that my son is no longer happy because Adeline is staying in this house. Yes, and I want you to bear with him anytime he behaves abnormal.
Mama, that's one I can do. The one I don't understand is, what is she still doing here? If he's not happy she's there, she should go.
Don't worry.
Mama, can't you ask her to leave?
My daughter, are you asking me? Don't worry yourself. I'm on it. I am on it. Very soon, you will no longer see her around this house. I don't want you to bother yourself. Leave everything for me to handle. Meanwhile, follow me. I want to tell you something. Don't worry. My wife. Oh, I want to tell you.
Mama, you sent for me. Please tell me what you need to tell me so I can go. No, Mama, I don't like giving that girl space. I don't want any space that will make anybody come and take my space.
You have to chill down. Take a chill pill. Can't you see that your mother is laughing? I'm happy. I'm smiling.
Mama, what did you win, I beg?
I have a solution to your problem. Yes. So you have every reason now to rejoice and be happy like me.
I beg, Mama, share this secret. What did they happen?
Take this. Take. Are you afraid? Don't you trust your mother again?
No, Mama, I trust you, but not before this one. Mama, I cannot kill anybody if that is what you want me to do. Nobody's blood will be on my head. I can't take it.
God forbid. And who is asking you to kill anyone? Am I a murderer? Have I killed before? Have I ever told you that I've killed someone, or have I ever told you to kill somebody? No, now. See, this thing is quick love potion. Yes. Immediately you put it in his food or drink or anything that he will taste. Sebastian is all yours. He will be singing your praises. And Adeline, my love, Adeline, my love, Adeline, my love. He will be following you back to back. Everywhere you go, he will be following you. He will be following you. This one, it works like magic.
It's love potion.
Love potion. They call it quick love potion. Okay. Sharp, sharp. It works like magic.
Mama, thank you.
Thank
God. God to bless you. But I need to go now. See, my back of shirt I don't even know.
Back up. It doesn't mean anything. It means good luck.
And that means it will work.
It will work.
Yes, that's right. Sir, I'm leaving. To where? Where I belong. I can handle the situation. Well, I will not stop you from leaving, but I think she shouldn't go alone. I'll be back after I've sorted out myself in my village.
Stella, if you're going, then I will go with you. Yes, if you're leaving, I will go with you. Yes.
You made this food yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Do you like it?
You're a good cook like my mother.
Thank you.
Whoa!
Mama.
Samson, my son. I can see you are enjoying the food.
Mama, I don't know Daniela cooks good like this.
But I told you.
Mama, I'm enjoying this food. Please, can you get me more soup?
I will. Immediately. Darling one.
Ma.
Darling.
Mama.
My wife. I'm coming. Let me bring another one. Oh. Hey.
What's the meaning of that nonsense?
What's not what?
What's the meaning of that rubbish?
I don't understand.
Who invited you here?
I invited myself.
Listen, listen, don't tell me. Don't.
I should not do what?
Don't tell me.
I want to eat that food.
You want to eat what?
Mama,
what is it?
If I slap you,
I want to eat.
if I slap you, you change color.
Did I include your name in this?
You included me in your mind.
Me?
Give me that food if I've got to eat.
Adeline, leave this place.
If you try,
leave this compound, Adeline. Adeline.
Mama, this girl is trying me. So this girl is trying me.
Adeline. Pick what? I will leave this place, Adeline.
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want? Mama, I'll kill this girl. Mama, I'll kill this girl. I'll kill this girl. I'll kill this girl. What kind of a man?
What can I do for you?
I am Chidi's mother, and I'm here to see you and your wife. Good afternoon, my queen. Good afternoon, Stella. Stella, I'm particularly here because of you. My daughter, please. I am sorry for the way I spoke to you the other time in the house. Please forgive me. My son has not been himself since that day. That's why I'm here to make amends. Please.
Stella, please. We are very sorry for everything. My mother is deeply sorry. She has accepted that we can get married.
And what about the woman she brought for you?
She's no longer with us. I've sent her away. Please allow my son to marry your daughter. Please. My queen, I forgive you. I have decided to go back to my hometown. It has nothing to do with you.
No, Stella, please. Please don't do this to us. You know how much my brother loves you. Please forgive my mom. Please, Stella. Please.
You know you always teach me about forgiveness of sins. Stella, please. You always taught me to practice what we preach. You are so passionate about forgiveness of sins. Please, if not for anything, the way I suffer to get you, please.
I know how much you love Chidi. Please, forget the past and forgive him. The lady in question is no longer with them according to the queen. Please.
You must be strong, must be strong in spirit for you to make it in this life. My dear, believe you can make it in this life. That your heart desires, you must achieve it, no matter the ups and downs. You must achieve it. You know, God, just be strong.
Adeline, so you have not done what I asked you to do. Why?
Mama, it's Sebastian. It's Sebastian. Do you know that man has been avoiding me? Sebastian doesn't even come close to me. He's been avoiding me totally. How do I achieve this thing now? Eh? Mama, I'm just so confused.
He has been avoiding you. Are you not a woman? Why can't you use the power of a woman? Don't you know that delay is dangerous?
Okay, the person where they want to use the power of the woman for now, so they run. How I want to hold her now? Me no feel hold her now, Mama. How I want it one?
Why are you talking like a kid? There are many ways to kill a rat. The only thing you have to do is to sit down. Think. Focus. The only thing that doesn't have a remedy is death. Every other thing, there are remedies. Huh?
Mama, anything you ask me to do is what I will do. I'm listening to you. Just direct me. Maybe I don't tell you my own. Tell me your own.
You have to listen carefully to this thing I'm going to say now. Come nearer.
I'm sorry.
Sebastian! Why did you leave the bathroom? Let's go a bit. I don't want the water down. Go back.
Honey, please ignore this woman here. Eh? Let us go back to the bathroom and continue what we started.
Ignore who? Ignore who? I'm begging you in the name of the God that you serve. Avoid me this afternoon. I don't want trouble. I don't want you.
Now, let me warn you. Listen well. Let it be the last time you interrupt my husband and I in the bathroom. Let it not happen again.
Interrupt who? Who is interrupting who? Who is interrupting who? Get up, let's go!
Adeline! What have I done to you? Tell me, what wrong have I done to you? Why not allow me to have peace? Did I do wrong in getting married to you?
You cannot have peace! You not get peace! There is no peace for the wicked. You cannot have peace! Just ignore this idiot now, get up, look who they go!
Idiot! You are the bigger idiot. You are the real idiot. Look at you. Forcing yourself on a man that clearly does not want you. Is that not desperate? Screaming desperation!
We will see who they desperate for. Bros, get up, go back.
Control him now.
Sebastian.
He's your puppet.
No, you have my remote now.
Remote
me into the bathroom.
Sebastian, get up, go back. Get up.
Leave my husband. See, leave my husband.
Respect yourself now.
Don't allow me.
Come on, don't allow you to
I'll slap you. I'll slap you.
Slap me. Slap.
You don't want to get hold of yourself. I'll slap you. I'll slap you.
I will keep up you here today.
You're joking with me.
Baby, I will kill this woman. I will kill this woman.
I
will kill her.
She's looking for
You're trying me. I've not shown you my color. You are trying me.
Just be strong. You are halfway there already. Just be strong. Don't lose hope. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it in this life. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it in this life. You must be strong. You must be strong, strong in spirit for you to make it. You know what is.
Up till now, I've not heard from my daughter. Is it that she cannot be able to do what I told her to do? It will be shameful for me to lose this battle at this time. God forbid. it will be dangerous as well for me to leave it at this stage because I've put in enough. But I must visit her. Yes, that's the best thing to do, to visit her. Oh, thank God she called. Hello, Nne. I was just thinking about you now. Why haven't I heard from you? Oh, it's okay. Yes, you have to apply it, just like I instructed you to do. Apply any antics you can think of, okay? I'll be waiting for your call so that you let me know how everything went. It's okay. Take care too.
I'm really happy for you. Why? Hey, are you asking me why? Because my brother loves you so much and he's so fond of you. Really? Yes, so. But the only problem is that devil that caught herself, Adeline.
If you ask me, I would say your brother is the cause of everything.
Why did you say that?
Because your brother has the power to actually ask her to leave the house this minute if he wants to. But he's being too considerate, he's pitying her, that's why she's still there.
I know, but he will still ask her to go, but...
He does not have the guts to implement it. That is why she's there. Please.
All I know is that she will go. Just stay with me. She will go.
Every time she will go. She will go.
You know,
before I know, she'll be there for months and years.
No, it's you that I like. He will stay with us. She will go.
I'm tired of the whole thing.
Yes. Smile.
Smile.
Okay, that's no problem, man. I'll see what I will do. Alright, let me call you back. Yeah.
I came to tell you that I'm sorry. And I'm really sorry for everything that I've done. I've come to apologize. Please. I want you to find it in your heart to forgive me. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
Edlin, what do you want?
I just need your forgiveness. Sebastian, you can get married to anybody you want to get married to. At this point of my life, I don't care. All I need is your forgiveness. Please.
Adeline, you needs my forgiveness. Okay. Since you need my forgiveness, I've forgiven you.
Sebastian, I know that did not come from your mind. Please. Just find it in your heart to forgive me. I've messed up. I'm even shameful, but I can't. Please.
Nah, Haba now. Which kind of drama be this one now? Huh?
Sebastian, I'm not acting drama. I'm just being real here, please.
Okay, I've forgiven you.
Oh. If you know you are forgiving me, just hold my hands and pull me up.
Is it a condition again?
No.
Okay. I've forgiven you.
Thank you. I'll just get up my legs.
Adley, being remorseful. No, this is not happening. peace after now. Let her just leave.
I brought it for you. It's really very nice. You like it.
Thank you.
I say this particular species is a very nice one. You will like it. I bought it specially for you. Just try one, please.
You want me to eat it?
Yes. Just try it. It's very sweet too. You really like it.
Are you sure it's sweet?
Very sweet.
Don't lick it.
Mama, when did you come back?
Give it to her. Give it back to her to eat.
I don't want to eat mangoes now. Baby, eat it.
Eat what? You must eat it, oh. Even if it's in the night, you must eat it. Because she knows what she did.
Mama, what did I do?
Will you shut up?
I don't know what you're talking about. Me and my husband, we've settled.
Oh yes, Mama. She has apologized to me and I've forgiven her.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, she's packing her things to leave.
She asked for forgiveness after killing you. Ah!
Who is killing you?
I see.
How do you mean after killing you?
She poisoned this. She poisoned the mango. I saw her with my eyes.
So you want to poison my husband? Can you imagine? You want to kill my husband for me?
No. Mama,
Can you imagine?
Mama, I don't know what you're talking about.
Will you shut up? Take it. Oya, eat.
Yes, eat it.
Eat it.
Eat from the mangoes.
If what they're saying is not true, like you claimed, then have a bite of it.
Collect it. Eat it.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
It's true.
Hey! Love potion.
It's love potion to him. Love me.
Can you imagine?
Sebastian, I did not poison. Not am I kill you. I did not poison it. I did not poison it.
Hey! Don't touch me, you fool!
I thought you were indeed remorseful when you asked me for forgiveness.
I was. I just wanted to cement this love. Please. Mama, because you
don't touch me, you prostitute! Get out!
I'm trying so hard to calm myself down. Just go inside, pack your things and leave this minute.
Bam!
With your mango. Desperate.
Leave!
Desperate for love. Another person's husband.
Pick up all your things in that house.
Imagine.
Oh yeah, don't worry, pick up.
You can't leave your mango. Come and take your mango.
Mama! What happened? What has happened though?
Where are you carrying your box?
Mama, they've driven me out of the house. Mama, they've driven me out of the house.
Hey! Hey, Chimo! What led to it? How did it happen?
It's a long story. I can't even talk. I can't talk.
Hi!
I'm so ashamed of myself. Suicide. Mama, this one paid me. Very shameless right now. They threw me out shameless, Mama. Mama,
If I tell you my story, you will cry for me. I forgot if I know I have seen something in this life. If I tell you my story, you will cry for me. I forgot if I know I have seen something in this life. Life not no meaning for me anymore. Stella, if I tell you my story, you will cry for me. I forgot before I know I have seen something in this life. If I tell you my story, you will cry for me. I forgot before I know